Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make presentation animation like this. Go to the Canva and open up new project with video, landscape video. Choose the project name you want. Upload the images you want with this presentation. I will choose these 5 photos for my presentation. Drag and drop to my upload folder. Click on the background image and right click and set the image as a background. I will down the opacity a little bit. Now go to the element and search photo frame. You can see all under the frames and click on see all. Scroll down. I will choose this frame for my entry project. Click on it and add to the project. You can see like this and press Alt key and drag to the make duplicate and rotate to 90 degrees and make copy like this. Select the shift key and click on both and press Alt and drag to make duplicate for both image. This one rotate to again 90 degree. This one also for 90 degree. Click on the both and arrange like this. Select all and change the colors you want with each frame. I will choose blue color palette. Go to the upload and select the first image and drag and drop to the first place. Double click on the image and rotate to 90 degrees. Right, click on the wall and rotate again and click on second image and add to the frame. Double click and rotate 90 degree. Do the same procedure for the other 2 frames like this. Right, now click on the all and group the layers. Drag and drop to the corner and increase the size. Now add text to your slide. Right. First slide is ready. Now we'll make the second slide. Click on the 3 dots in the current slide and duplicate the page. Click on this page and select on the grouped layer and rotate 90 degrees change your wording according to the second slide. Now duplicate the third slide. Click on the third slide and rotate also to 90 degrees. Also change the text for the third slide. Duplicate the page and make the fourth page. Again rotate and adjust something like this. Fourth side is ready. Go to the between each slide and you can see the add transition option. Click on it and select match and move, and adjust the duration for 2 seconds and click on the apply between all pages for the add same transition to each pages. Right. Now click the play button and you can see how it will work. I hope you have enjoyed with my tutorial. You can subscribe my channel and like this video and hit the bell button for the get notification when I publish the video. Hope you enjoy this video and thank you very much. Bye.